And so I turn around and go out and black out on Miller.
Ow, well, what the fuck? Ow, goddamn. I just wanted to check my phone. There's literally a dark habit, my bad.
On May 5th, 2025, at 11:26 p.m., Fruitland Park Officer Reti pulled over a Kia Soul that had turned down a dead-end street with its lights killed, sparking an investigation into a driver with an increasingly inconsistent story.
Hi.
Hello.
Officer Reti, Fruitland Park Police Department. Reason for the stop, you stopped me on the white bar at the stop sign. What are you doing?
Well, I was supposed to pick up a friend and he hasn't answered me, so he was supposed to send me the address, it was the wrong address, and I told him I was here.
So why did you turn into the driveway back there?
That was the address he sent me.
Really?
Yeah.
What was that street?
Well, I don't remember now. You know how you send somebody your location?
Right.
That's where it put me around.
Okay. Is there anything in the vehicle I need to be aware of? Any guns, drugs, weapons?
No, nothing but a lot of stuff because I've been moving. I've got like a train table back here and my son's sleeping in the back.
I got you. Would you consent to a search?
To my vehicle?
Yeah.
I mean, I suppose, but that seems a little unnecessary because my son's sleeping back there.
Okay. I ask for consent on every stop.
I mean, do I have to give you consent?
No. Do you have your license?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Do you have the registration insurance?
I do not in my car currently, no.
Okay.
But this is under my insurance. It's in my name.
I got you. What was the friend you were going to see?
His name's Jonathan.
Jonathan? What's his last name?
I just met him and stuff.
You just met him? Where at? Your story just isn't making sense.
There's not much of a story to have had there. I just come to, because literally I was coming to hang out with him for the first time. I mean, like, we'd seen each other through friends, and that's...
But the address you pulled up is a completely different address.
I didn't even pull up the address, so I don't know what you mean.
You did.
No,
the last address that you...
No.
See, that one right there.
Those are just recent. That doesn't mean that's...
Well, if you pulled up an address recently...
I clicked on a send me your location. You know, when you send somebody your location, It doesn't send you an address.
Well,
it
if
sends
you're
you
going,
a marked pin.
It sends you a marked pin, and that would be the last one you were going to if you were using your GPS. I'm just saying your story doesn't make sense. Just give me 1 sec. Okay. She denied consent. Her story isn't making any sense. She turned down Lake Josephine and pulled into a driveway, so I turned around on Lake Josephine and then sat on on Miller and waited for her to come out. Here, I'm gonna have you step out for me. And then just stand at the front of my vehicle.
On your vehicle?
Yeah.
I wear makeup. What do you mean?
What's all over your dress?
I have complaints.
All that white stuff there.
Oh, it's the ashes from my cigarette.
And you was dressed for something really neat.
Oh, the female with the onesie on, the onesie. It's very uncomfortable.
Do you have anything on you?
No.
Put your hands up here. The hands come up again and go to handcuffs.
You don't have anything on you, right? No? Do you mind if I just search you real quick?
The way that it works is if my dog alerts to the odor of narcotics in the car and we don't find any narcotics in the car,
What are you doing?
Sorry,
it's reasonable for us to assume that you may be in possession of narcotics.
So, based on your actions, you sit in the driver's seat, you were tucking something under your shirt.
So before she does this, I'm going to ask you this. And like I said, I don't care. It's not my traffic stop. But I will tell you, just moving forward from an outsider looking in, honesty is the best policy. Because if you have something little, we can always have a conversation about it. And worst case scenario, you get a ticket and go on about your day. But and again, it's important that you know I'm not accusing you of anything. I'm not saying that you're doing anything wrong at all. But
I just need the answer of do I have to?
Yes, you do. It's not an option.
Okay.
There is no yes or no.
Let's come over here in front of the tour park.
With the lights back.
And then spread your feet like you're doing the splits. There's still room in your dress to split.
It's not the dress. It's the onesie I had on. It's one of those bodysuits.
It's a bodysuit. Do you have a bra under it?
Hypothetically speaking, if you were to go to any meeting and they put you through an X-ray scanner or a very expensive X-ray scanner that can see through your body, is there anything on or inside your body that you're not supposed to have?
No, but that's a pretty out there hypothetical question.
Yep. Stop it. Stop it.
Oh, it's not mine. You're looking at me.
No. Listen.
Please.
You know, based on your actions,
Oh my God.
what, you're trying to hide it, number one.
I just
Why lie about it?
want to
The The stop quickly escalated into a major felony arrest when a search uncovered methamphetamine hidden under the driver's dress, prompting her to desperately blame a man named Jonathan while police arranged for a relative to pick up her child.
I don't even know what's inside of it.
Yes, they should
That's what you would have been honest about it, because I-
Oh, great. Wow. He literally just called me too and was like, look, that orange bag on there, can you just...
Yeah, she had it in between her legs.
Cut him out.
So she waited until I passed and turned the opposite direction. So I turned around, and then as soon as I turn around, she turns onto Lake Josephine, right? And then she goes down Lake Josephine and pulls into a driveway. And so I turn around and go out and black out on Miller.
Ow, well, what the f***? Ow, goddamn. I just wanted to check my phone. There's literally a first habit, my bad.
Here, just
I'm
Listen,
sorry.
you don't get
Okay,
these
I
calls,
got it.
you hear me?
Don't have to.
Stop being stupid.
You're under arrest right now for resisting an officer.
I didn't
If you do
mean
anything
to.
else, you're going to catch another charge. It's in your best interest to stop doing stupid shit. Otherwise, I'm going to have DCF come pick up your kid.
Take that
Stop
cuff off.
doing this game. You're not going to win. You don't control. Stop. You don't control what goes on.
Make sure the cuffs are on.
Stop doing what you're doing. I will not tell you again. I've done nothing but respect you, and that ship's about to sail.
Does anybody have like a big key? Is there anything else on you?
No, there's
Because
not, ma'am. I know, I understand.
no,
the
like you said
situation.
that before.
I
and-
know, and I panicked.
And I'm not
I've
an
never been
idiot.
in this situation before, so I do apologize. Can I please sit down in the car? Because I'm fucked either way.
Okay, so there's nothing on you that the jail would
there's
find.
nothing on me.
Okay.
Oh,
The trafficking?
Much, is there more in there?
There's these are just empty plastic baggies.
Someone get the dog, Taylor.
I have somebody who can pick him up.
Okay, sit down and I'll get the number for you.
They're Wildwood. I should have known better. That really is my fault.
Put your
I did
feet in.
panic.
My child.
Yeah, that is.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay, who is it that can come get your kid?
They get the 3 nights to the 14th too.
Yeah. Okay.
I just really.
Oh, guess who he was meeting? Jonathan Patrick Lucas. I knew it.
That's
knew
that's
it.
who I said that. Literally, that's what
Does
I'm
he
saying.
live up here?
If you guys will let me go home, I will tell you where he is. I swear to God.
What's the meeting at?
It was literally the street that I was on before.
Poinsettia.
And he told me, he said, listen, because I don't know him. He told me, please. He's like, just take that and take it and hide it. And I panicked. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that that's what that
Your
would have been.
actions, you have
I
knowledge.
understand. No, because he told me to hide it, so I didn't know what to think.
I would have thrown it out the freaking window.
Got a bike? Where is it?
Is he on a bike? Is he supposed to be on a bike?
No.
Okay.
Because I dropped him off right here earlier. It's
What?
not mine, it's his.
What's he? Is he in a car?
No, I was his ride.
That was where she was turning around.
Does that mean
No, you're not getting out of this. But
it's proof that's not mine? Because I can't, you don't
no, it's
understand.
not proof that it's not yours because
He left it in it. I know. I can't.
So I need a number for who we're calling.
Kim. Her name's Kim.
Who is she to you?
She is. I'm sweating like a pig.
Who is she to you?
She is my ex-mother-in-law, and she's just who can pick up this kid right now.
Is that okay?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Okay. Just Kim, right there.
Yes. Oh God.
I knew she was doing something sketch. I was starting to doubt myself.
Where am I?
You are at the corner of Cutoff and Miller on 466A.
Hey, you're gonna fucking hate me, but you're gonna have to come to and pick up
Mystic
Manny.
ice cream.
Mystic ice cream, like
Fruitland
in
Park.
Fruitland Park, and just pick up Manny. I'm getting arrested. Why are you getting arrested? Because I had somebody
Drugs.
in my car for a stupid reason. Alright, thank you.
Okay, well, I'm up.
Following the arrest on May 5, 2025, the driver was transported to Lake County Jail for formal booking and processing. Her late-night attempt to evade Officer Reti by turning onto a dead-end street with her lights off instantly raised suspicion, and the subsequent discovery of methamphetamine concealed under her dress shifted the encounter from a traffic stop into a major narcotics trafficking case. In court, the defense's push for an early bond reduction was denied due to the substantial quantity of methamphetamine recovered at the scene. The body camera footage capturing the exact moment the white powder was noticed on her clothing and the orange bag was retrieved served as definitive evidence for the state. After spending nearly 2 months in custody, she eventually posted a $50,000 bond on July 1st. While arrangements were successfully made on the night of the arrest for a relative to safely take custody of her child, the driver remains under strict bond conditions as she awaits trial for meth trafficking, possession of drug paraphernalia, and resisting an officer without violence. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.